Hi, Doug Farr, Farr Associates, Architecture and Urban Design in Chicago. I think these are extraordinary times and represent great opportunities for the new urbanism. For the first time in half a generation, the CNU has the potential, I think, to be incredibly influential at the federal level. We look back to the 90s when we helped shape HUD policies on Hope 6. But this time the opportunity is greater and arguably the stakes are higher, where HUD, US DOT, and EPA are coming together this coming week to form a cabinet-level subcommittee on sustainable communities. And what that organization and the government needs to go forward are standards for what constitutes a sustainable community, a sustainable urbanism. And we've fortunately been working on this for a number of years and finally have a work product to hand over. I've chaired for 5 years LEED ND, LEED Neighborhood Development, the first ever rating standard for a sustainable settlement. And that, for example, is a tool that I think can be adopted and referenced and useful in many applications by HUD, by US DOT, and others. But it's not all just federal work. There's a lot of local work to do because it's interesting that this new sustainability standard, LEED ND, is actually illegal across most of the country. The road standards, the density violates local zoning requirements, subdivision standards are violated, et cetera, et cetera. So this model, this ideal of sustainable and healthy communities is somehow rendered illegal by our laws. And so there's something quite wrong there. I think that next year's Congress in Atlanta, which is, the title of it is New Urbanism, Prescription for a Healthy Community, is maybe the opportunity where we highlight these odd differences where the codes and standards which are there to uphold the public health, safety, and welfare prevent that very thing from happening. And so I invite everyone to come to CNU Atlanta next year, April of 2010, and debate that with us. Thanks.